Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you step by step how to achieve a decent eyebrows. If you are one of those people who don't know anything about eyebrows, how to do your eyebrows, so this video is definitely for you. But before I start this video, I want to just put this disclaimer out there. I am not a professional, but like I said, for the beginners, if you don't know anything, so this video is definitely for you. Before I start this video, again, do me a huge favor: subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you're always notified whenever I upload a new video. Without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, as you can see, I am breaking out. It is that time of the month, and it's crazy. It's a whole crazy story, but guys, we're here just to help you guys, because I love you. I know a lot of you guys were asking me, how do you do your eyebrows? So yes, I'm bringing this video for you today. I'm going to be using some stuff here. You're gonna need a couple of stuff. You need a brush, something like this. You need a pomade. You need a clear gel ball and a brush like this. And also guys, I am learning about my camera, because if you are following me, you know that I have just bought my first ever camera. I am still learning. I don't really know much, but like I said, your girl is learning, so just bear with me. So I'm gonna just start by I'm going to try my best to do this video for you, because it's hard. It's hard. Eyebrows, it's hard. It's not easy. So let's do it together, okay? So we're going to start by brushing the brows, you guys, like so. And just so you know, guys, eyebrows are not twins. They are sisters, but not twins, because I always have one that is better than the others. You're just gonna go with the eyebrow from here, right guys? You're gonna go this way. You're gonna start right up here, guys. I'm not gonna forget what I was saying, but I'm just trying to show you guys, because that is why we are here, for the eyebrow tutorial. See guys, now I'm going to the top. I'm gonna start right here. I'm not going all the way in the front. You know why? Because sometimes when you go all the way to the front, you guys, you have this I don't understand my light. I'm telling you guys, my light is crazy. My light is, oh, I see. It's like a zoom thing. Guys, I'm learning. Okay, this video is not about that, so let's focus here, okay? So you know, when people have this dark spot here, like it's very dark here, like I'll show you guys, but I don't know, I'm sure you get it. But yeah, that's what. So now I'm going to fill it in a little bit, not too much. We're not going too crazy. You just hold the brush like right here so you don't press too much. So I'm just going to use this to brush while I'm doing this. See guys, just to brush it. And now I'm going to just do like this, like brush like back and forth a little bit, okay? Just a little bit, not too crazy, nothing too crazy. I'm just gonna brush up, 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 like so. And I'm so sorry guys, it's so hot. I'm sure that you can hear the noise of the AC, but it's so hot, you guys. I can't do anything about it. If I try to even turn that off, I'll die in here. So I'm so sorry guys. Now I'm going to use the pomade here in the brush to just fill in the eyebrows a little bit. I have two colors, and I'm going for this one, the darker one, because I love when my eyebrows is a little dark, not too dark, but a little bit. And then I'm not going too crazy, guys. Just gently go like this. And I'm going in the front, and then I'm just going to try to create some hair. You can't even see it properly because that's how much I just do it gentle. So I'm just gonna brush up like so. See guys, that's what I'm talking about. Now we're going to use our concealer. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro concealer to conceal. Just gonna put it right here. The concealer is what's going to give you the look you need. So you will need a brush like so, and I'm just gonna tap it in the concealer, and we're going to conceal. And just don't just go on your eyebrows. You just gradually will go up, but we're not just going to, because you know sometimes you have the build up under your eyebrows. I don't like it. So as we go, we're just going to touch the brows with that. Yeah, just see what I'm doing, guys. There's no magic. It's not easy. However, if I do it, trust me, you can do it too, because I'm not the best at that. So now I'm going the same brush with the residue, and I will go on the top just like I did for the bottom. I'm not just going right onto the eyebrows. I just go gradually like so. Okay, and now I'm going to use this brush. You can use any brush, but I just love using this. Well, come on, focus, man. This printy one. Like so, just to clean my brows, just to clean it up. And it's always good to use a concealer that is almost the same color as your skin, you guys, because when you use a concealer that is too light, it plays a bad role in the, you know, in your finished result. So I'm just going to brush a little bit more. Okay, not too much. And I'm going to use my gel, my clear gel roll, clear one. The reason I use this, it's, you know, sometimes you have your eyebrows and then the hairs are all over the place. So this one will help with the hairs not to be flying away. Okay, let them just lay down flat and smoothly. Smoothly. See? Just like this. And I'm going to do the other eyebrows, and I will be back. So this is the finished look, you guys. I'm sorry guys, my camera died. As I was saying, they are definitely sisters but not twins. Okay, so okay, I am still learning myself, but as I said, it's for my beginners who are trying just like me. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you have learned something. Please comment down below, share, like this video with friends, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you're always notified when I post a new video. So thank you again so much guys for watching. I will see you on my next one. Bye now.